Hello, quantitative literacy friends out there. We're going to do an experiment with a spring today. So I've got this spring hanging, and right now the bottom of the spring, I got it set with my ruler at 0 centimeters. I'm going to put some weights on here. So here I have a 500-gram mass, which is half a kilogram. I'll hang that on there and see where it ends up. So checking that scale out, I think it goes to about maybe 19.5 centimeters. So I'm going to make a note of that. So 500 grams, 19.5 centimeters. We'll try another mass. So next, I have two 200-gram masses. I'll hang on here and see where that brings us. Now the theory here, attributed to a guy named Hooke in the 1700s, is that the weight that we put on here is proportional to the distance the string gets stretched. So we have here, this one looks pretty close to 15.5, maybe slightly less than that. 15.5. All right, let's do a few more. So we'll plot these points and see if we can find a model. Let's go for a 100 plus a 200, which gives us 300 grams. And where are we at there? A little after 11. I'm going to say 11.2. And take that off. So just the 200-gram one next. Settle down there. And that one seems to be just above 7, maybe 7.8 centimeters. And we'll do 100. See where that puts us. So it looks like 100 puts us pretty close to 2.5 centimeters, so 2.5. All right, so I have a table of numbers. Next thing I'm going to do is weigh my exploding kittens cup. So this is the mystery mass. So we're going to see if we can use this spring to weigh or mass my cup. And once we get a model, we'll use that equation to check the mass of the cup. A little harder to spot this one. Looks like it's about 13 centimeters. Maybe a hair over that. I can get it to twist sideways. Maybe that won't affect the spring. Just a hair over 13. So we've got mystery cup, and that's about 13 plus a little tiny bit, 13-ish centimeters. All right, so check back for the next recording while we make the model and see if we can predict the mass of the cup. And I weighed it earlier, so we'll compare that to the actual mass of the cup. See you soon. Bye.